This pocket door has ancient hardware. The wheels don't work anymore, so we're going to replace it. Going to start on the outside and score the casing and remove it very carefully because we'll try to reuse it. With the casing gone, we're going to remove the trim piece on one side only, at least to start with, because we want to try to remove as little material as possible. Next, we'll take this piece of the frame off, and none of this is structural. This is all cosmetic stuff. It can easily be nailed back on. Next, we'll take this piece of the side off, and once that's done, we'll have access to the door and we can remove it. Now, in most cases, you can roll the wheels right out. You can disconnect them, unscrew them. These things were so old and stuck, I had to just cut them off with a metal cutting blade on the reciprocating saw. That's not uncommon. With the door out, I cut about a 2x2 section of drywall, try to save it if I can. Now I have full access to remove that old track. I cut the new track to length, put it in there and secure it, make sure it's level. Now I put my wheels in the track. Now I attach the bracket to the top of the door and I make sure the locking mechanism on each bracket are both facing the same way. Now I slide the door back into the pocket and attach the brackets to the wheels and lock them in place. Now I give it a test. I want to make sure the door isn't rubbing, scraping against anything. I want to make sure it's balanced. It doesn't move on its own if I leave it alone and everything is lined up. Once everything is working perfectly, I put all the trim pieces back on in the reverse order in which I removed them. I reinstall the piece of drywall. I give it a courtesy coat of patch. I caulk and patch everything. This job is done. It's all working perfectly. They have brand new hardware. That's how you do it.